Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Shares of Wingstop moving higher this morning after the company smashed Wall Street expectations for the third quarter. It's higher, but you've seen it come down a little bit. Now, revenue came in at $117.1 million for the quarter, up 26% in the last year. The company lifted its full year guidance on strong demand and expects to see same-store sales growth of just about 16% for the year, up from its prior guidance of 10 to 12%. Now, I have to say, I haven't gone to Wingstop and I don't know how long, but people are clearly going.
Shame.
I know, right? You don't say. Look, I mean, it's clear that even though we're seeing a little bit of cooling in the share price, you saw a pop in the pre-market, a little bit of cooling. They do have their earnings call coming up at 10 a.m., so investors will probably tune in for that. And of course, it probably ties into the broader theme of the market just waiting to see what the Fed does in general. But Wingstop certainly did better than a lot of other peers in its space. People are going to buy their wings.
People are going there, clearly.
Going.
Yeah, if you are surprised or tickled to find out that Wingstop shares are actually outpacing the NASDAQ composite this year, you're not alone. As I was even taking a look at it this morning, color me surprised too here. And it really comes back to a few things here. Number one, they're opening more stores. The domestic same-store sales increased 15.3%. Digital sales jumped 66.9%. And total revenue was up by about 26.4% there. So all in, as you mentioned, more people going there for, whether it's the sandwich or the wings, more people have been shopping or at least increasing the order, and the third quarter results, they say, showcase some of the strategies they're executing against. But it's really coming back to how much people are ordering as well here. And I think it'd be right for investors to keep a close eye on the domestic average unit volume. This is that AUV figure that they also continue to put out, the average annual sales of all restaurants that have been opening for basically a trailing 52-week period. So that's going to give you some solid comps to look at going forward.
Yeah, and of course, just reiterating the confidence in how they're doing.
I mean, look at this chicken on screen.
No, sorry. It looks better than. I'm sorry. I'm going to give my personal opinion here. Not a big fan of Wingstop.
It's in my rankings.
The pictures look great from what we just saw, but my experience has been a little different. Not the worst chicken wings I've ever had, but look, people clearly like it. Maybe they're dipping it in ranch and blue cheese to.
I've been a buyer at multiple locations. I can say that.
Yes. Do you like it?
I've been a purchaser at multiple locations.
No comment for the press.
I've tried them.
Clearly,
I try everything.
Okay.
I'll try all the wings out there.